So like in my first year of college, I was a very confused kid, and like I was doing development in my second year. Like since I was more into project side, that is why I focus on development. Is I gave the interview in morning and I got the selection mail in the I guess evening itself.
So first of all, thank you for accepting my offer and coming here. So first of all, tell me about yourself in brief.
Okay, so I'm a junior pursuing BTech CSE at VIT Vellore currently. And my domain of interests are web development and machine learning. And apart from that, I love writing technical articles, and it basically helps me remember the concepts more efficiently.
Yeah, so great. Brief your journey about how your college life and how you started coding and how you find interest in web development. So basically इसके बारे में brief में बताओ कि कॉलेज में कैसे वो अपने इंटरेस्ट फाइंड किया और कोडिंग जर्नी बेसिकली कैसे स्टार्ट हुई आपकी?
Okay, so like in my first year of college, I was a very confused kid. I did not have any mentor or seniors. So I explored a few domains on my own. Towards the end of the first year, I communicated with a few seniors and joined a chapter or a club in my college. So through that, I got into communication with a few seniors, due to which I learned a lot from them. And Then I started participating in competitions and hackathons. And apart from that, I focused on core CS subjects with TSA, and like I was doing development in my second year. And before that, I focused on machine learning. So I did a few projects in ML, and then I shifted my domain to web development. And towards the second year, the end of second year, I applied for that Microsoft Engage program, and then gave the online assessment. After that, after I guess 2 3 weeks, I got the qualification mail. So I learned a lot through that journey also, and basically I can say that like I started web development like religiously in that particular time when I was selected for Engage.
या सो ग्रेट। सो लाइक आप जो आपने बेसिकली जो सेकंड में बताया कि लाइक डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट फर्स्ट में ही एक्सप्लोर करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था। जो वो कॉम्पिटिटिव कोडिंग है वो उसमें आपने लाइक ट्राई किया था या फिर उसमें कुछ पोर्टफोलियो वगैरह था या नहीं?
Yeah, I tried competitive coding in second year of my college, but again, like it was very difficult for me to keep it consistent. So that
Yeah.
is why I like since I was more into project side, that is why I focus on development. But yes, competitive coding can help in problem solving. But even if you like focus on DSA and core subjects, it can help you in longer run to get internships and like other full-time offers.
या सो बेसिकली लाइक कॉम्पिटिटिव कोडिंग अच्छी चीज़ है लेकिन मस्ट नहीं है। लाइक अगर इंटरेस्ट है तो कर सकते हैं, वरना उसको लाइक डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है तो उसके अलावा डेवलपमेंट साइड पे ज़्यादा फोकस कर सकते हैं और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग पे।
Yeah, competitive coding basically helps in the coding tests that you. Okay, so you must have problem solving skills to solve the coding test, the first step of any like process, internship process or any full time process. So that is important, but like in interviews, the most important thing is data structures. So when I gave the online assessment for Engage, it was completely focused on DSA and CS core subjects. There was no competitive coding question.
या तो लाइक ये आपसे एंगेज से ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको एंगेज से मिली और मिली तो लाइक उसके बाद कितने राउंड्स ऑफ इंटरव्यूज हुए और उसकी जो डिफिकल्टी लेवल थी वो क्या थी, इतना बताइए?
Okay, so I applied on Engage through like my college, and I applied. Basically, it was an off-campus opportunity, but since college informed about this particular opportunity, that is why we can consider it to be on campus also. So when I applied, I was asked for my resume, my projects. Okay, so I applied on the portal, which asked for my resume, the projects that I have built, and my tech stack. And based on, I guess, resume shortlisting, a few people were given the online assessment test link, and I gave that test after 1 week of applying on the portal. And after, like, the online assessment consisted of 40 questions, and they were like MCQ questions based on CS core subjects, and a few were like competitive coding, not competitive, basically DSA questions.
Yeah.
So yeah, this was the online assessment. And after 2 3 weeks of that online assessment, I got the qualification mail. And after the Engage program, I got the internship, like, sorry, the interview opportunity to like give the interview, and then the internship offer was made. So I gave only one interview, which was the final AA round interview, uh, which was basically a technical plus HR type of interview. And after that, I got my selection mail on, I guess, 18th August. Yeah.
Like after getting mail from Microsoft as a full-time intern in 2022, so how was the expression, your expression at that time?
I was pretty overwhelmed because I gave the interview in morning and I got the selection mail in the I guess evening itself or the afternoon itself. So I was very overwhelmed. I did not expect it to come and it suddenly I got the mail. So it
Yeah,
was
so
very.
it's pretty good things because like in product based companies mail आने में काफी देर हो जाती है, like after 2 or 3 weeks के बाद तो सिर्फ इंटरव्यू के लिए मेल आता है, और जो फाइनल सिलेक्शन के लिए तो काफी देर बाद आता है, so
Right,
it is
right.
good. Yeah. तो लाइक अब आपने जो अभी बताया कि मैंने आप डेवलपमेंट साइड ज़्यादा फोकस थे, तो जो आपने प्रोजेक्ट बनाए थे उस पे जरा ब्रीफ कीजिए कि लाइक कितने जो इंटर्न के लिए कितनी डिफिकल्टी के लिए लेवल के प्रोजेक्ट रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं, लाइक माइनर प्रोजेक्ट है तो वो चल जाएगा इंटर्नशिप के लिए, या फिर मेजर लाइक वो बड़ा वाला प्रोजेक्ट चाहिए?
Like, I think any project that you make should, solve a real world problem. It does not matter how large scale or small scale it is. Like, it does matter in some companies, but it also, matters how, like, what actually is it solving. Like, one project that I made was to, notify the user whenever they're sitting in a bad posture. Okay, so this project was not a very large scale project, but it did solve a real world problem.
Yeah.
So I think that is more important, but that is my outlook. Yeah.
Yeah. तो लाइक एक काफी कंफ्यूजन रहता है, लाइक सीजीपीए इज मैटर्स और नॉट मैटर्स और कंप्लीटली नॉट मैटर, लाइक सीजीपीए का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस रहता है फॉर इंटरव्यूज इन प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज?
I think like definitely CGPA does matter. If you want to get a good offer on campus or even off campus for that matter, it affects your profile a lot, because the first thing that a interviewer or any company that you are shortlisted for see your qualification and your CGPA. So it does gives a impact. So according to me, it does matter.
या
But
लाइक
there are like a few companies who don't care about your CGPA.
या लाइक इन फाइनल पेज लाइक would you like to give some advice to upcoming first or second year students like who want to uh, build their career in product based companies or want to get internships from like FANG companies or product based companies?
Yeah, so like one thing that I would like to say is find a good mentor and communicate with your seniors, because they have already gone through what you are probably gonna go through or you are going through. So they can mentor you, and like having a mentor in second or first year is a must, because like college is more about apart from the curriculum, what you do is gonna matter a lot. So I think for that you need to have a mentor.
Yeah. तो लाइक लास्ट में हम एक रैपिड फायर राउंड रखते हैं, लाइक मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा और उसका 5 सेकंड में आपको आंसर देना होगा. लाइक मैं 2 ऑप्शन रखूंगा, उसमें से एक चूज करना है. लाइक
Okay.
तो ओके.
Yeah.
So like college life versus school life.
College life.
Like the competitive versus development.
Development.
तो अमेजिंग सेशन. लाइक काफी कुछ जानने को मिला. लाइक और एंगेज के बारे में हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. लाइक what is the whole procedure and what things happen in Microsoft Engage program particularly and all of that. So thank you for having you here and discuss the points about like getting internships in Microsoft or all of these things.
Thank you for having me.